The Hajj pilgrimage is a sacred journey undertaken by millions of Muslims each year. The journey begins with entering into a state of Ihram, symbolized by simple white clothing for men. Next is Tawaf, circling the Kaaba 7 times, a sign of unity and devotion to Allah. After Tawaf, pilgrims perform Sa'i, walking between the hills of Safa and Marwa, retracing the steps of Hagar. Then pilgrims stay in Mina, reflecting on their faith and devotion. The climax of Hajj is the day spent at Mount Arafat, seeking forgiveness and mercy from Allah. After Arafat, pilgrims head to Muzdalifah, where they gather stones for the next ritual. Pilgrims perform the symbolic stoning of the devil, casting away evil temptations. A sacrifice is made, symbolizing Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son. Finally, pilgrims shave or trim their hair, symbolizing a new beginning. Hajj is a spiritual journey of faith, unity, and submission to the will of Allah. May all pilgrims have a safe and blessed Hajj. Subscribe for more spiritual content.